E2 focuses on how learners receive and respond to feedback from others. For this item, you will look and listen for learners attempting to correct their verbal responses or improve their written work. There are several ways the learners respond to teacher feedback. The key element of this item is that the learner does receive and respond to feedback. You might observe learners revising their work, writing in journals about what they've learned, or even retaking an assessment. Listen to this verbal interchange between a 5th grade student and his teacher. Pay attention to how the learner responds and corrects himself after the teacher probes for additional information.
It was kind of freaky seeing the Native Americans. Probably
what do you mean by
them,
that?
But because they hadn't seen anybody like them before.
Okay, so then how does that tie those two ideas together? Experiences with the migration and the changes. Mm-hmm. How would you restate that so that includes the Native Americans, and how did Cassie and her family reacted?
They had to learn the Native Americans' ways.
Perhaps. That could be an inference that we could make.
And they had to know that they didn't want to harm them.
Okay, that could be an inference. Okay. Anybody else? How about one more?
The key point that was indicative of response to teacher feedback occurred when the teacher asked, "How does that tie these two ideas together?" This question prompted the learner to elaborate and clarify his point. Notice that the student responded to her questions without a surprised or blank look and made statements to clarify his thoughts. Keep in mind that this video highlighted one example of how E2 can be demonstrated. Although not visible during this segment of the video, most of the learners in this class had the same quality of interchange with the teacher about his or her progress, and they responded in similar ways. For these reasons, the item received a rating of very evident.